Adidas D.O.N Issue 7 Pure Teal is set to launch in fall 2025, bringing bold design and high performance to the court. This latest release in Donovan Mitchell's signature line introduces a full-length Lightstrike Pro midsole, marking a first for Adidas basketball shoes. Built to match Mitchell's explosive playing style, the shoe also includes a carbon fiber shank for enhanced torsional support. The pure teal colorway stands out with a striking teal to dark blue gradient across the upper, contrasted by a clean white collar and medial zip shroud. Signature details like Mitchell's spider logo on the tongue and a wave-patterned outsole in teal, navy, and white complete the dynamic look. With official images now revealed, anticipation is building for this vibrant model. Retailing at $120, the Adidas D.O.N Issue 7 Pure Teal will be available this fall through adidas.com and select retail partners.